Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TaxJar for accurate sales tax in USA stores, complete guide step by step clearly. To install TaxJar for accurate sales tax in your USA store, begin by navigating to the TaxJar website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email, password, and business details. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your TaxJar account. Next, you'll need to connect your online store to TaxJar. Navigate to the Integrations section in your account dashboard. Choose the platform you're using for your online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon. Follow the specific prompts for your chosen platform to begin the integration process. You may be required to enter your store's API key or login credentials. Once connected, TaxJar will automatically sync your sales data. Next, proceed to set up your sales tax settings. Go to the Sales Tax section within the dashboard. Enter your business address and nexus locations, which are the states where you have a tax obligation. Review the tax rates that TaxJar has generated for each state. Adjust any rates as needed to ensure accuracy. After setting up the tax rates, trust TaxJar to calculate the correct sales tax for each transaction. To verify everything is working correctly, conduct a test transaction in your store. Make sure the sales tax calculated by TaxJar matches your expectations. If everything looks good, you're all set. For ongoing management, regularly check your TaxJar dashboard for sales tax reports. Ensure to stay updated on any tax law changes relevant to your business. With TaxJar installed, you can manage your sales tax confidently and accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.